Hello everyone, it's 16th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have microplastics pollution threatens Goa's estuarine fisheries, human consumers. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have SC eases ban, clears green fireworks in Delhi for Deepavali. Very important for environment perspective. Then we have trade deficit widens 93 in September as services slump. Again, very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have SC's green firecracker verdict, a historic step, says CM. Again, very important for environment and pollution perspective. Then we have 122 kg of banned firecrackers seized. Shopkeepers have been arrested. Then we have air quality remains poor for second day on the trot. Very important for pollution perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says navigating the global economic transformation. Again, important for economic perspective. Then we have refugees, infiltrators. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have the critical factor of India's clean energy ambitions. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have the road to gender equity in courts. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have Bengal, second lowest in convictions for the crime against women. Very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have this half page dedicated to this one news, the future of the IMAC, very important for infrastructure as well as international relations perspective. Then we have why is the fiscal architecture of municipalities flawed. Again, a very important news. Moving forward, we have young and jobless, key demographics, ways, claims and promises of parties. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have nightlight data from 2013 and 2023 reveals limited urban growth in Bihar. Very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have not the right time for official negotiations on trade deal with US. Very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. Then we have UK slaps sanctions on Naira refinery. Then we have China files WTO complaint on India's EV battery subsidies. Both are very important news. Then moving forward, we have the world page. The first news says truce called after dozens killed in Pakistan-Afghanistan clashes. Very important for international relations perspective. Syrian leader seeks reset in Russia ties in his first Putin meeting since Assad's ouster. Very important. Then we have aid enters Gaza, Israel to open Rafah crossing. Then we have South Korea bans travel to parts of Cambodia. Then we have Sri Lanka Prime Minister to arrive in New Delhi today. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.